Max inspires. Max's positive attitude and agility, even with a disability, inspires the people around him. Max Inspires is available in audio, Kindle, paperback, video, and merchandise formats. Now available on Amazon. Max Inspires Activity Book. Monsters Activity and Coloring Book. And Lil Miss Diva Doll Magic Activity and Coloring Book. Lots of fun activities, great pictures to color, and hours of fun. Hey Mocha's World Dreamers! Ask a grown-up to click that subscribe button and the bell to get notified about exciting new Mocha's World Dreamers episodes. Mocha's World Dreamers. Imagine, create, learn, grow,